गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। ये हंसी वादियाँ, ये खुला आसमां है मेरे जाने जा, आ गए हम कहाँ। इज दिस वॉट यू आर थिंकिंग नाउ? सो डोंट वरी, आई टेल यू सून. So on this rainy day today, we are going for ride and trek to Kalu waterfalls. This is Vivek and together we are flirting with Indian roads. And this time with my second mate, my black and bold Fizzy. As you reach the top, you can see there are very few bikes over here, meaning there is no direct road as such to reach here. And here you go. Que bonita! How beautiful is this yaar? Kalu waterfall is nearly 100 kilometers from my home. It took nearly 3 hours to reach here due to wet road conditions and the last 3-kilometer patch of off-roading. This waterfall is located in Western Ghats in the vicinity of Harishchandragarh. This is one of the hidden gems of Sahyadris, not known much to the people. For your information, let me tell you, this was one of the locations where the Bollywood movie Ravan was shot. Kalu waterfalls is the highest waterfalls in the marshes regions of Sahyadri. Height of the falls is nearly 1200 feet. You can imagine the immense force with which the falls must be hitting the grounds. Well, this was shot in a slow-mo. How about capturing a time lapse? This one is equally cool. Now we have climbed a bit left so that we can capture the top angle of the waterfall. Now this will look scary. I have not done any stunts as such to capture this shot. Let us go further on the left. Here you can see Mahuli waterfall. Best time to visit here are the months of September and October. It is not recommended to be visited in July or August as the flow of water is very high. Here you can see the waters from Kalu and Mahuli waterfalls merging together to form Kalu river. So that's it from Kalu waterfall, and now it's time to take our step back home. Now here you can have a glimpse of Akka Mumbai mein world famous Wala Marshes Fall, where the fall bangs directly on Pune Kalyan National Highway.